Okay, this is going to be the intro for assignment number 2 on line, or the fold, spindle, and mutilate assignment. The first things that I'm going to go over the things that you're going to need for this assignment first. You're going to need a straight edge, and you're going to need your triangles, either your 45 or your 30, whichever the case may be. You're going to need a surface to work on, like a drawing board and or a sacrificial surface, something you can cut on top of without damaging it. And you're going to need, of course, your lead pointer and leads. You're also going to need your fine line markers and an X-Acto knife. Make sure you got a good sharp blade in it. A glue stick and some paper to work on. And last but not least, a scale ruler. And I'm showing you the architect scale because all of you should have got this in your kit. Please use the top portion, which is the 16th inch normal ruler side, because you're going to want to be making marks at, half, quarter, 3/8, whatever the case may be, but that'll lay it out for you really well. The other thing that you're going to need are some images. And you're probably going to need to get quite a few of them. I'm showing you some political ones here. That's not necessary, but just obtain them from and wherever you can. The key thing here is to make sure that you have both a physical and a digital version of them, and that you back them up if you intend to be using them both for your rough and for your original or final version in Photoshop, because you're going to be destroying the physical version in order to do your roughs. Now I'm showing things here like, Star Wars stuff, your favorite video games. It could be, your friends, it could be your family, it could be your favorite TV personality. Could be animals of any kind that you want, and of course, landscapes. But the key thing is to make sure that whatever you get, make sure that your images end up being, in the end, sized the same size. In this particular case, these two landscape photographs are the same side to side and top to bottom. And the reason for that is because you're going to be doing slices through them. You're going to place one image on top of the other and do slices across it diagonally in order to manipulate it in one version. In another version, you'll take the top photograph and slice it horizontally, and the bottom one and slice it vertically separately, and then kind of weave them together like a basket weave. And or you're going to take one image all by itself and do rotary cuts in it after you've marked it, and then rotate those things in order to do the effect. Now, the write-up for these things is included in the presentations. There's a PDF of each one of those techniques, as well as a number of over-my-shoulder videos that show you how to do at least the diagonal one as a rough, and then you can see how to do the diagonal and the rotary one as versions for the final. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up going into project number 2 so that you guys knew the things that you needed to have in order to get going on the project. All for now, and I will see you guys in the next video.